math. Wheels. The wheels didn't turn out, dude. I'm liking them. If they look good. They look good. They look good. Bearing there, I can't really go far, but wheels only turned out for you there, I guess. This side's not too bad. Alright, here we go. You okay? Yeah, it's my boys. This is the 2022 Miata. We got her out, and this is oil, excuse me. Tranny pan. I didn't know there was a service pan in the transmissions. It's making noise. Try to get the see what's going on. Maybe because of some kind of friction. Beat the shit out of it, get it flat. See if there's any metal. Anyways. Charlie Mike. Thanks for the energy, that strawberry. Alright, here we go. We got this going on. I've never seen anything like it. This is transmission. Out the pan. There's a magnet in here. It's fun. So it's sifting through. I haven't found anything. But his oil filter is crushed. Got a new one with a new gasket because I'm gonna need the pan back flat. Even though I don't think there's any rotating assembly here, nothing else looks to be damaged. I don't know. He wanted to go Xgames the Miata, so here we are. Let's get her going again, huh? Give me some.